Hey, how's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are having good holidays so far. Great holidays. Anyways, this is my concept that I was showing you over here. Let me give out that little mock-up. So we got this design is just by hand, and we turned it into this. So I still got to put a point on there. This is supposed to be for whatever you want. Let's say you go hog hunting or something like that. Let's say you want it for barbecue. That's really what I made them for. It's just to have a really cool, sturdy barbecue fork. So without the point, you can't really tell that. But once I put the point on there, you're gonna see what it looks like. And sorry I haven't worked on that knives, guys, but I will. And when it's completed, it's gonna be sweet. Thank you.